Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to divide two cells in Excel. To get started, open your Excel spreadsheet. When doing so, in some cell, enter equals, select the cell, insert the division sign, and then select the cell with the value to divide. Press enter to see the result of the division. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.